The Centre Block is undergoing the most complex heritage rehabilitation project of its kind. Public Services and Procurement Canada is leading the effort to restore and modernize the building, preserving its legacy while transforming this iconic site to meet the needs of a 21st century parliamentary democracy. Let's explore the major accomplishments between April 2024 and March 2025. The project has three distinct phases: deconstruct, rebuild, and fit out. Last year, we completed the deconstruct phase, where the Centre Block was carefully stripped to its structural elements and the excavation for the Parliament Welcome Centre was completed. Fast forward to today, we have entered the rebuild phase, where we are bringing the vision to life with structural upgrades and construction, laying the foundation for the next stage. The final phase, or fit out, will include installing the finishing details and will also celebrate the return of heritage assets to these restored spaces. As part of the rebuild phase, we reached a significant milestone in the fall of 2024 when we started building the structure for the Parliament Welcome Centre. This new underground facility is key to making Parliament more secure, open, and accessible. Work on the Parliament Welcome Centre includes pouring concrete for footings, walls, stairs, and elevator shafts. To help with this, new cranes have been installed in the excavation site to move materials and equipment. In spring 2025, there will be a total of 5 cranes on site, 3 of those dedicated to supporting construction of the Parliament Welcome Centre. Inside the Centre Block, crews are busy gearing up for a massive dig to expand the basement levels. This excavation is an important step in connecting the Centre Block to the Parliament Welcome Centre. We have completed a substantial portion of work to structurally reinforce the building. This allows for work to begin on excavating down from the West Courtyard in spring 2025. From the basement to the rooftop, our work spans every level. Before installing a new roof, we are first building roof enclosures to protect the Centre Block and to provide construction access. Bracing will be installed to support the structure as the old roof is removed and rebuilt. There will also be bracing added to the upper levels of the Centre Block to support the structural rebuild. On the outside of the building, we started work in 2023 on the east and west facades, and we have completed about 20% of the overall exterior masonry scope. This monumental rehabilitation will ensure the Centre Block is more accessible, sustainable, and equipped to support the needs of a modern Parliament for generations to come. To learn about this project in more detail, be sure to visit the photo and video galleries on the Centre Block Project website.